Hello viewers, you might have noticed the calm introduction here at a cafe just to make this feel like an authentic documentary. And while we're at it, let's hear some street noise. How about some traffic in the background? If you haven't noticed yet, this is mostly because I have done a terrible job at recording audio in this trip. Nevertheless, we are here in Bangkok to answer many questions from the eyes of a casual tourist. For example, let's see Vaishnavi's first question on this trip.
You had a good question.
I had a good question. Who is this person?
Honestly, we never bothered to find out. But here's my awfully unclear and aggressive monologue.
Hello viewers, today I am at Bangkok. We're here for Chinese New Year. Apparently, we're a day late. But the festivities are on, so that's good. Now I don't know the meaning of the Year of the Rabbit, but I believe it has something to do with people like me who are really clever and exploring people. Why are you laughing? You be the cameraman, yeah? I'm going to say a lot of stuff which will make no sense at all.
There's a cooking show going on there.
Huh?
There's a cooking show going on there.
Is a cooking show going on?
Yeah, there's a stage and cooking going on.
Okay viewers, Vaishnavi has spotted a cooking show, we'll go there and then I'll continue talking at another place.
Enjoy!
There was no cooking show though. But before we move on to touristy stuff, I want to take a moment to talk about Nadimo's. We had our lunch at Nadimo's and boy, it was a delight to eat some of the best Lebanese cuisine in Bangkok. We loved it so much that the next day we packed some shawarmas and falafels for our commute. Gotta say, love the owner. Absolutely charming guy. Okay, back to some incredible 50 frames per second editing by yours truly.
Hello viewers, we're back again. We were supposed to go for the food show, which Vaishnavi had mentioned, but we made it into a shrine. Now, we have no idea what we're doing, but we're just following the crowd. And we have to light a lot of incense sticks, which apparently runs on mathematical numbers. We also try to find out fortune sticks. Again, we have no clue what this means and we'll have to do a lot of research on Googling what it actually meant. But it's really calm over here. And we were supposed to be wearing red today, but we didn't. Because we bought red shirts yesterday and fell asleep. And woke up the day after New Year's. But moving along.
Chinese New Year is celebrated throughout the country, but since business as usual and everyone likes wearing red and eating street food, we explored Yaowarat Road. I tried bargaining here, but you know how it is with the Chinese. I just learned a couple of new fruity words. I'm not going to bore you with more details on this. Let's just take a break and see how Vaishnavi liked her first iced tea on this trip. Not that great, huh? Probably sums up our day. Good morning viewers. Today is day 3 of our trip. We are on the open road to do some fun activities. And what more to add authenticity than introducing our own flamboyant and colorful tour guide, Alex. Apparently, he's gonna show us some
If
train
you have
tracks.
time, you come with me. I help you take a photo with the track of the train.
Yeah, not these ones. But hey, stop one for the day is Kalong Bay, where we are gonna find how salty snakes can really be, no pun intended. Now let's see if my audio is improved, shall we?
Hello viewers. Today is day 3 of our trip and we're going to the floating market. We're going to the floating market. It's on the way to Samut Songkran province, if I'm pronouncing it right. Right now, we're in a salt field in the middle of nowhere because our, what's the guy's name?
Alex guy.
Because Alex, our tour guide, told us that we would see a python. Yeah, python before we go anywhere.
There is a python there.
There is.
Yeah.
While Alex was preparing the team to combat against pythons, we were learning how to make magical salt that would protect us from snakes. This must explain why most Thai food is actually sweet. I still didn't understand most of the techniques, like how we were pirates and we used wands to sift out salt, and using scarecrows to scare away the salt demons? How bizarre. I mean, what are you gonna do? Scare the bad luck away because you just dropped some salt on the floor? Also, why on earth were we walking the plank when we're not even on a boat? But like a sport, I didn't take this information with a grain of salt, much like the dangerous sense of humor Thai people have. I'm not much of a Harry Potter fan, but I know my spells to stay away from snakes. Clearly, this girl didn't. It's almost as if she spoke parcel tongue. Now, some comments from our non-resident Potter fan herself.
Oh, it was very nice. It was like touching tiles, like bathroom tiles. Very, very bony. Yeah, very bony. They don't have bones, right? Then the muscles are as strong as the bones. It was very strong. I wish I had muscles like that.
Me too, Vaishnavi. Anyway, let's hop onto the train where I have curated a very nice Bollywood theme for this discourse. Because if I know trains, it's about the slowest way to commute and make your life look very interesting. Okay, these girls will kill me for this, so let's do what our guide says and just wave at people. So an eternity later, we head out to the railway market where Alex mentioned something about a coconut, but I was curious to find out what my co-travelers had to say.
Tell me, Anne, what do you feel about this place?
It smells like fish, but it's really cool.
So, Vaishnavi, you were gonna say something about the other side.
Hello from the other side.
So, right now we're at the train market. Again, I don't know the exact
Railway
location. Huh?
Railway market.
Railway market? Railway market. And we're waiting for a train which we were just on in a parallel
Universe.
track. But yeah, now we'll be waiting for them. I have no clue what to do. And yeah, let's face it.
Oh, it's so close.
They can't see my face, they can just see my hands. Hello. Oh, they're waving back.
Enough hellos for one day, I suppose. It's time for today's highlight, the floating market where Taylor Swift had pad thai. I'm not lying. Listen to Alex.
This is very good. That's why she love Pad Thai very much. When she come back, she gonna take the Pad Thai picture in the new album. Yeah, that's why today I will take all of you to become a Taylor Swift. Yeah, okay.
Hold on while I shake it off and have an iced tea break with Vaishnavi because I'm going to give you guys a history lesson in the worst audio possible.
Hello viewers, as you've seen, we've been bargaining all day as you've got some cool new props for this trip. Now we're in the floating market. It seems that it's been there for like centuries and people have been using this as a medium of trade for centuries. Meanwhile, bargaining has been really good. Then we had a complete follow. We will show you the merchandise shortly. But let's see where this boat takes us.
I'm not gonna lie though, this was definitely a 10 on the bucket list. We bought a lot of souvenirs and had the most fantastic time.
The cap.
back, it felt like a sense of calm had entered our souls. Our journey as tourists had begun in this distant land, and I will let Vaishnavi share the most important feeling we all had.
It's so hot. I can't wait to go into AC.